This is Masood Hashmi, and this is my nephew. His name is Shakil Hashmi. He is a second-year medical student. He came to visit us, and he made a cup of tea. So I'm going to ask him, how did he make this tea in our home? So Shakil, go ahead.
Okay, so today I'm going to show Uncle how I make my tea.
Yeah.
So first what we're going to do is we're going to get a cup of water.
Okay.
And we're going to have the stove over here waiting for us. And get together our ingredients. So you can have 1 cup of water and 1.5 ratio of milk. It can be 2%, it can be whole milk. You have your tea bags or free tea leaves.
So you got 2 tea bags?
2 tea bags.
Okay.
And today I add cardamom onto it. So I have 4 cardamom.
Lychee.
Add some more, lychee. We're gonna put that in here. We're gonna grind it up. Once it's ground up, we're gonna add that to this. And I'll show you guys my process on the way.
Okay, let's make the chula on. So let's put the water. Okay, so Shakil has already put the water in that pot. And now, Shakil, beta, show us now next what are you going to do?
So what we're going to do is, we're going to grind up the 4 lychee in here. So
okay.
Uncle's going to dump it in here.
Very good.
Here. Pour it in pestle. Oh. Grind it. Put your shoulder into it. Use your weight to get into it. It's a little hard sometimes.
Yeah, that's good. This is good. Let's see. Let's see now.
You can smell it too.
Yeah, its aroma is coming.
So that looks good to me.
Yeah.
Does that look good to you?
Yeah.
Looks good to you?
All right. So what are we going to do next?
So we're going to wait for the water to boil. Once the water is boiled, we're going to throw these 2 in there. And then we're going to add this as well with it. Then we're going to add our milk. And then we're going to reduce the heat. It's currently at high. We're going to bring it down to like a low medium for about, we're going to watch it, make sure it doesn't overflow. And we'll go from there.
Yeah. Yeah. Now the water is boiling. Okay.
So the water is boiling. We're going to add our 2 tea bags. 1, 2. We're going to come over here and get our lychee. We're going to dump this in here. You can keep everything the way it is. We'll use a strainer to remove everything at the end. You can see the color of the tea coming in real nice. As that color comes in,
Yeah.
we add in the milk. Don't worry, it'll look a little bit light colored in the beginning, but the color will come out. So we add the milk and then reduce the heat. A little bit more. Reduce the heat to a medium light. And now we just wait. Okay, so as you come take a look over here, you can see that the tea is starting to cook. You can see that nice color. So we're gonna watch it, make sure it doesn't overflow, because that's a very bad habit of mine. It often overflows. So keep your eye on it. So the milk and the tea, the water is slowly rising up. Make sure it's full. Take it off if it does. About 5 minutes. Give it a mix in the meantime. So it's rising. So I'm going to take it off before it overflows. Let it come down. You can blow on it, let it come down a little bit. Back on the flame. Do that about 2 to 3 times. This process allows the tea to cook and make it taste a whole lot better. Uncle Masood loves this.
Okay, Shakil, so tell us what we're going to do next.
So what we did was we washed the tea, make sure it doesn't overflow. We cooked it for a couple minutes until I got the right color. You'd know this when you're washing it. The color will be the certain like brown, wood. It's a nice color. You take it off the heat, shut the heat off, cover it, set for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes have passed. Now we're ready to serve the tea. So we come over here, take off the cap. Smell the aroma?
Oh,
Oh,
very
over
good.
here. Take a look.
Yeah, we can put it.
Now we're gonna dump the tea into the cups with a strainer to remove any type of lychee or any cream that you may or may not want. So that's enough for our uncle. Now this one's mine. And the tea bags will come, so just didi.
Okay, that's all right. That's okay.
You just don't make a mess.
He's a good chef. All right, we're gonna drink this tea now. So show it to me.
You can add some sugar if you like, or Splenda.
Oh, Shakil bhai.
Is it good?
Honest to God.
You sure?
Oh, I have never
You're not just
had
saying that.
tea like this
You're not
till
just
I
saying
was a child. My mom used to cook like this.
Yeah?
This is good stuff. Wow. Thank you, Shakil.
Not bad.